Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have peanut butter snow dusted balls. All right, you guys, so here we are. We have some powdered sugar and some butter. Okay, we went on and used, what was that? 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of butter. We made sure that it was all mashed in, all nice and fine to this consistency. Then we added in a cup of your favorite creamy peanut butter, everybody. You can use any kind of peanut butter. You can use crunchy or whatever, but we went on and blended some nice Lorna Doone crumbs, everybody. Yes, my son-in-law said he would like to have that instead of graham cracker crumbs, so we went on and did the Lorna Doones, and voila, look at that. Now we're going to mix it in really nice and fine, and I'm going to show you the consistency. It's going to look like wet sand. When it looks like wet sand, when it's all incorporated together, everybody, that's what we're going to do with that part. So that was 1 cup of Lorna Doone breadcrumbs that we added in with that nice mixture. Now remember I said it looks like wet sand? This is what it looks like. See that? Oh, yeah, that was perfect. It was so delicious. I know. So look at this. So this is the consistency. I just want to put it in slow motion a little bit for you so you guys can see it really nice and close. You guys want to make sure everything is blended in together. You're going to take a nice tablespoon scooper. That's what I use. And we're going to make them into balls, everybody. So after we, roll it into balls in the hand, we place it on a nice parchment paper in a nice metal pan, because all of this is going to go in the freezer for an hour. Okay, once it's in an hour, it's easier to be sugar coated. So once it's out the freezer, look at that. We went on and took this out, and we went on and made sure that we're going to go ahead and do the dusting of the powdered sugar. Take your spoon, you go ahead and roll it around in your powdered sugar, everybody. Look at that. Nice and coated, nice and sweet. Now, there's one thing about it. When you keep on doing this, the powdered sugar does kind of go away a little bit on the cookie, but that is the flavor of the nice little morsel of the dessert, right? All right, so we went on and dusted this one off a little bit. It had too much powdered sugar on it, but that's okay. The hands are clean and all that good stuff. Then you can place it on your nice chargers. We have a gold charger here for the nice holidays. That was for Thanksgiving, and we also have Christmas that's coming up, so we're going to be doing this for Christmas as well, because it was such a nice kickoff for everybody. Just loved it. It was just delicious and mouth-watering. Perfect. It was so delicious. Look how pretty it is on that nice red charger. Just in time for holidays, for Christmas, everybody. Now, if you guys like what you see, make sure you guys, give us a holla. Follow us on YouTube, because we have a lot more recipes that's going to be coming soon. Here it is on the gold charger again. Isn't that beautiful? That's such a beautiful presentation, and it tastes so good. Go ahead and follow us, you guys. Make sure you guys do that.